Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss topic about would you plus get plus me plus noun. Would you plus get plus me plus noun. This structure is used to ask for a favor. This structure is used to ask for a favor. For example, how are you, Ali? I'm not fine. I have a headache. Would you get me some medicine? Would you get me some tablets? Would you get me some syrup? Would you get me some syrup? Another we have should. What is should? How we can define should? So let's begin. Should is a modal auxiliary verb. Should is used to give advice to someone. Should must be followed by base form of the verb. Should must be followed by base form of the verb. Should is the first form of shall. Should musara modal auxiliary verb da. Should musara advice फिर कई छोता. Should musara हमेशा दे पारा बची शेपल कई बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. शुड ना बाद बुमु बेस फॉर्म लगाऊ और शुड सुकुम दा द बेस फॉर्म दा फर्स्ट फॉर्म दा द शेल वाला. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम sick. You should go to doctor. We have exam in March. You should study hard. After should we use base form of the verb, not first and third form. We use base form of the verb. This is all about our today topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future update. Thank you.